Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to install Chat GPT for Google Sheets. So the first step is to simply open a new spreadsheet and then you're gonna have to simply click on extensions. Then hover your mouse over add-ons and click on get add-ons. Now here you're gonna have to simply search for GPT for Sheets. Now as you can see, you should be able to see this at the top. So simply search for this extension and then click on install. Now, as you can see, you should see this message after you install it successfully. And now in order to use the extension, you're gonna have to simply click again on extensions, and then you're gonna have to simply hover your mouse over GPT for Sheets and then simply click on launch. Now, as you can see, it's gonna start loading. We can start using ChatGPT. Here we have the functions and everything. So if you want to use them, as you can see, you have here all the functions that are working. So basically that's all for today's video, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.